Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a level on Cut the Rope. Maybe you've messed up a rope cut, missed a candy swing, or just want to go for a better star score. That's when resetting the level helps. First of all, launch open the Cut the Rope application on your device, and then once you're inside a level, if you want to reset the level, simply go ahead and look for the arrow button at the top right corner right in front of the pause button and tap on it. This will restart the level and let you start fresh. Now that you are back at the beginning of the level, you can try a different strategy. So that's how you will be able to reset a level on Cut the Rope game. Even though you are resetting a level, your overall game progress will remain intact. You can use resets to better your score and enjoy the puzzle mechanics. Over time, you'll develop instincts for the rope cuts, timing, and obstacles. So that's how you easily reset a level on Cut the Rope if you're ever stuck or you'd like to redo the mess. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.